Mukasa. 2025, nag-improve pa talaga. Ang ingay niya lately guys ang daming nagpro-promote dito. And they're putting so much emphasis on this quick loan niya where you can borrow up to 25,000 pesos, seconds or less kung approve ka. And then you can pay up to 12 months and mababa daw yung interest. So talaga bang recommended to si Mukasa? Well, bago kayo mapaklik ng loan app nito, dahil mukha siyang promising, because well, yeah, it makes sense. Registered po siya sa SEC or Securities and Exchange Commission. Submitting entity din sa CIC. Why not, diba? But bago kayo mag-download sa loan app na to, get to know Mukasa more in this video. So keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here, and it's always my goal to give you honest reviews, feedback about a particular loan app because yung pag-uutang is a big decision. So this video is not sponsored. Actually, Mukasa sent me an email inviting me na makipag-collab, pero yung script or yung outline dapat may approval. May ganun ba? I want to have the freedom to say whatever I want to say about a particular loan app because yung sinishare ko is based on my experience. My feedback here, I want Mukasa to hear me out. I think there's a room for improvement. Anyway guys, kasi nagpa-delete na kasi ako ng account dahil may mga things about Mukasa na hindi ko na nagustuhan. At sa pagpapa-delete ng account, take note, hindi nyo na pwedeng gamitin yung same number if ever gusto nyo bumalik. Kaya think twice din bago kayo magpa-delete. Later na nating balikan yan, and let's check the application process ni Mukasa this 2025. Available siya both sa Google Play Store and sa iOS. Parang heavily emphasized na yung quick loan yung 25,000 pesos. I don't know what happened sa previous products niya, like na Mukasa card, which didn't make sense to me, as well as yung kanyang quick cash. Kasi ngayon, parang emphasis talaga, ayan, dun sa quick loan. Anyway, so napasilip ako ulit dito kasi nagbo-wonder ako. There's already a number of vloggers na nagpro-promote nito. I want to give my side of the story para meron kayong information. So, pagkatapos kong dinownload, again, on my cellphone, humingi po siya ng permission na masilip yung the usual installed application, device identifiers, contacts, location, photos, calendars. And syempre, mag-a-agree ka dun if you want to proceed. Taking pictures, location, again, and then magsa-start ka with filling in your basic information. Mag-click ka ng start at hihingi niya po yung ID mo. Yung mga IDs na tinatanggap niya is UMID, that's the first choice, PhilSys, driver's license, PhilHealth, TIN, PRC, passport, and your SSS. Pipicturean mo yung ID mo, not a problem. Susundin mo lang yung instructions sa baba. So, binigyan ko po siya ng aking PhilSys. And then, na-capture niya na yung pangalan na nagre-reflect doon sa ID, which is not a problem, okay lang. And then, yung ID number, okay din. At least, hindi mo na kailangan i-type. Yung birthday mo, yung gender mo, kailangan mo lang i-input. And then, yung complete address mo. Bali ko, ano yung nasa ID mo. Kaya gusto niyang clear na clear yung pagkakakuha ng picture mo, ng picture ng ID mo, kasi naka-capture niya yun. At least, hindi ka na mahirapan mag-type. Gusto niya rin picturean mo yung nasa likod ng ID mo. Take note. After that, hihingin niya yung personal information mo. Tatanong siya kung meron kang landline. Kung wala, okay lang naman daw. And then, hihingi siya ng other information like education, marital status, your personal email, Facebook is optional, wow ha. And then, residence type, monthly rent or mortgage, home district, and your complete home address. So, if you fill out mo yan. And then, hihingi niya rin yung work information mo, work status, industry type, monthly income, number of dependents, emergency contacts, and meron kong bank card. Balikan natin yan. So, dun sa emergency contacts, dalawa lang. And kailangan family member and from your social network. But that's not a big deal kasi sanay na tayo dun eh. Pero yung sa bank card, guys, kung sasagot mo, yes, I have, pipicturean mo yung front ng bank card mo. Sabi pa dito, bank card must be within the validity period, so hindi expired. Both credit card and debit card are acceptable. Make sure that all of your details, full name, card number, valid through are visible and readable. Nakakatakot yung ganyan, guys. Yung kung ang bigay yung bank card ko dito, much more yung credit card ko, no? Hello? Doon naman sa tab number 4, yung verify accounts online, andun pa rin yung mga hihingi siya ng login ng mga accounts mo like SSS, PhilHealth, GSIS. At kung nakalimutan mo yung password mo at kung wala ka pang portal, tutulong daw siya sa pag-create or pag-retrieve ng password mo. Which is another thing na hindi rin ako comfortable. Kaya mo nun, pwede ka daw mag-upload ng recent payslip, pwede rin yung tax receipt, or you can give it up and increase and submit. So, andun ha, sabi niya, plus 10,000 credit if you give your if you verify accounts online. So, yun daw yung madadagdag sa credit limit mo if you provide those information. Pero nakakatakot, guys. Kaya, I gave it up and just click submit. Pagkatapos kong mag-submit, so ayun, magsiselfie ka na. Susundin mo lang yung instructions. And then, we're reviewing your application. And kaagad niyang sinabi na hindi ako approve. Which I think it's okay. Okay lang kasi na-experience ko naman siya dati eh. Hanap ko yung dati niyang Mukasa card which andun pa naman. Sabi ko, paano kaya magkakaroon ng Mukasa card? Pumunta ka ng homepage which hindi po very obvious. Kaya titingnan mo talaga yung lahat ng nasa sa app para makita mo yung hinahanap mo. So, scroll down. O, ayan. Pag nag-scroll down ka, meron pa rin Mukasa benefits but I know, ang gulo nyo be. Tapos, meron pa rin siyang cash advance daw. I don't know kung iba ba to sa cash loan. Pero dati yung cash advance niya, okay sana eh. Meron akong ganyan. Tapos, mag-a-apply ka naman. Pagdadaanan mo na naman ulit yung mga pinagdaanan mo. And pagkatapos mong magsabit, sabi niya, verifying, ewan ko, walang nangyari. I'm sure may iba sa inyong sasabihin na napaka-bitter ko. Here's my side of the story. Dati na ako merong Mukasa account. Like I said, kanina nagpa-delete ako guys because I don't think it's beneficial para sa akin. Kasi meron naman akong ibang mga very, very, very legit loan apps like mga Sibang Credit, S-Loan, Bilis, and hoping ako magkaroon ng one hand. So, napaka-redundant na. Mukasa reached out to me, inviting me to do a collab video with them and nilayout niya yung requirements sa email na yon. Dati na ako nakipag-collab kay Mukasa and it was not a very pleasant experience. Dati kasi, itong si Mukasa, meron po siyang two primary ways na magkaroon ng Mukasa account. One is magdi-deposit ka and sabi niya refundable daw. Yung second is yung standard. Yung ngayon, yung style niya parang standard na lahat ng application. Dati, yung dun sa constructive account niya. Yung idea na yung constructive account niya, you can check my previous vlog if you want to learn more about it. But dati meron siyang ganon, yung constructive account, na sabi niya automatic approve daw. And yung gagawin mo lang para magkakaroon ka ng constructive account is magde-deposit ka. So to try it out, nag-deposit ako ng 1,000 pesos or 980 kasi may discount. Until na lang nagpa-delete ako guys, hindi ko nakuha yung refundable deposit ko. Which sabi niya refundable ha, but never. Nagpa-delete lang ako. Wala na, TY na yung refundable deposit ko. You can check my previous vlog if you want to understand why medyo bad trip ako dito kay Mukasa nang dahil doon. But, I'm glad ha. I'm glad na mukhang tinanggal na nila yung constructive account niya eh. However, may isang vlogger na nag-promote nitong Mukasa na binanggit niya pa rin yung constructive account. Ewan ko kung it was an oversight on her part. It was kind of inaccurate. This is the reason kung bakit hindi ako pumayag na makipag-collab dito kay Mukasa because of that experience. And hindi nga nila na-fulfill yung end nila sa previous naming correspondence. Yung message ko dito kay Mukasa, I really hope nag-change na kayo for the better. But para sa akin, ang gulo pa rin ng interface nyo. So good luck everyone! I just want to be honest about it. Bago kayo mapadpad dito kay Mukasa, ang dami pong options. There's always Bilis na 100% confident talaga ako. There's also others like S-Loan, Sibang Credit. We also have Home Credit. And also, andun si One Hand. Please check my other videos about Mukasa to get to know Mukasa more and to really see for yourself kung nag-improve ba siya or hindi. So, I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Hindi po ako nagpo-promote ng loan app na hindi ako 100% believe. Hindi ko rin pinopromote yung mga loan apps dito sa channel ko. Yung pinopromote ko is being careful sa kung saan-saan natin sinasubmit yung ating personal information. Hindi niya po sinuli yung 1,000 ko. So, yun na yan. I still have the screenshots to prove, to back up kung bakit. So, let this be a learning curve for everyone. Balik niyo kasi yung 1,000 ko, ano ba? Yung lahat ng pinanggamitan ko ng credit limit ko sa app nyo for more than 1 year, binayaran ko yon out of pocket, kasama na yung interest. So, don't tell me hindi ako fair ha. So, yun.